Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. So right now I'm in a saddle trail path, still in Bedland National Park. It's a pretty cool national park. You can see here, tomorrow is going to rain, so this thing all will cover a river for sure. It will be downpour probably tomorrow, and you can see this is pretty cool, area, right? So right now there's not that many people right now, only a handful of people right now. But during the summer, this place is going to be packed. So if you are going to South Dakota, go to Mount Rushmore. I mean, a lot of people only think that Mount Rushmore, that is the only thing that you can see, but that's not true because they have a lot of area that you can see. For example, you can go to Bedland, you can go to Custer State Park. You can see tons of wild animals over there, and it is pretty cool as well. And so right now, I'm still just walking up the road right now, just checking all these things out. Everybody going to that direction. It's too crowded. I'm not going to that direction, so I'm going to the opposite direction. So right now, there's no people, no person, not much people in here. So I usually don't follow the crowd, and this is a pretty cool place actually. And so if you are traveling to South Dakota, you should stop by. Of course, Mount Rushmore is the area that most people want to go, right? Those are the number one attraction. But then there are a lot of places you can go, maybe 2 to 3 days, three days spent in South Dakota. That would be pretty cool as well. And you can go to Custer, and then also there's a Crazy Horse Monument. Although right now a lot of national park is free, but Custer State they still charge me $20 for admission. But the thing is, you can go there for 7 days. The pass is good for 7 days. But if you have an RV, you can just you can just do the camping thing down in inside the national park. But the thing is, they only accept Wyoming. No. National Park. Oh, sorry, Custer. Custer is South Dakota. Sorry, because Wyoming, Yellowstone, they only accept Wyoming residents because of the COVID-19. So right now, if you want to do camping, you're out of luck if you are not from Wyoming, because like Yellowstone, they only accept Wyoming residents. Ooh, this is soft, and look at this. So this will be river tomorrow, right? Tomorrow it's going to rain, so it's not going to sunny. It's going to rain. So seize the day. So that's why I'm coming out here to do all this today. Look at this, all this. This is pretty cool. And as I said, you got to enjoy life, right? You cannot just hiding in the woods and all that. So at some point, of course, you have to prep for the doomsday. But I don't want to scare everybody. But it may or may not happen. But it doesn't. But at some point, you got to decide what you want to do. But I don't want to say doomsday, but it may not happen, depending on what the elites want us to do, right? And of course, with the negative interest rate policy, then oops, oh, my camera, it's too bright, I can't even see. With the negative interest rate policy, they print a whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of crap, and I don't think it's good for Bitcoin. Well, I think it's good for Bitcoin. It's not good for fiat, right? Fiat, you're going to lose out all this money. I mean, it's just, they can, like, a printing press is ridiculous, man, nowadays. And basically you are giving them money. You're giving them money to store, to put it in the bank. This is negative. Look at this. Tomorrow this thing is going to be raining, and this thing is soft too, so this is interesting. It's pretty interesting place, yeah. But nobody walking like this in here. It's too hot right now, almost 90 degrees right now, unfortunately. It's very, very hot. So yeah, so I think right now it's only like 4 minutes already, like sweating and all that fiasco. Oh goodness, look at this. This is awesome, right? Bedland. So make sure if you come to a national park, come to Bedland. Right now it's free admission because of the COVID-19, but they are going to charge you again, right? Eventually. All right, anyway, so with the negative interest rate policy, basically you have to give them money to deposit your money. For example, 10,000, they charge you $300, and because the Fed want to do the negative interest rate, that is not cool at all. Oh, this is a river, right? Tomorrow is not going to be fun if you are walking in here. I will tell you. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. It's pretty scary. right? There's rattlesnakes and all that, you know, all this crazy stuff, you know. And I think I saw a moose yesterday in Custer State Park. Nobody goes to Custer State Park, nobody knows about it, but it's good to, so it's a good thing that I went, and it's go through a whole bunch of tunnel and everything. I'm gonna watch out. Oh, there's no snakes in here, so hopefully there's no animals here. I don't want to see animal at this time. I don't want to see any snake. It's so hot. I think the snakes is hiding at this time right now anyway. So let's see. So let me know what you think about all this negative interest rate policy. That's crazy stuff, and I don't like that negative interest rate. Unfortunately, this is how things is going to be. Negative interest rate policy, and you basically, there's a fly in here. Get away. Oops. So the negative interest rate policy, which is not good to the retirees, right? So that's why you need to protect your asset by holding gold, silver, commodity, stuff like that, right? You can't just put your money in the bank. It's going to become a worthless fiat currency. It's not going to help you. I could be wrong as well. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. You know the color? Is it a reflection of the rocks or what? This is so cool. Look at this. There's a little bit pinky color over there too, right? So this is so cool. Actually, I can't even see, the phone is too bright in here. I can't even see what I'm recording. But anyway, so let me know what you think about the negative interest rate policy. Do you think it's crazy? Do you agree with it? Or what do you think? I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video beautiful, all this landscape, give me a thumbs up. And the next stop, I'm going to recording more video for you guys as well. I mean, if you can't go outside, I can recording some interesting thing I see on the road while I'm on the trip. Then that would be cool, right? All right, so peace out.